Is Bitcoin about to nuke before taking off again? BitMEX founder Arthur Hayes just dropped a massive warning, saying Bitcoin could plunge into the low $80,000 range before it finally bottoms out. But here's the twist. Hayes says this dip might be the last big shakeout before Bitcoin rockets to new all-time highs. So, what does he see coming next? Liquidity? A Fed pivot? Or a full-blown market reset? Arthur Hayes says Bitcoin could dip below $85,000 and even take a sharp stab down into the low $80,000 zone. Not a crash to $50,000, not a collapse of the market, but a sharp correction that he believes is driven by one thing: shrinking dollar liquidity. Basically, the money flowing through the system is tightening, and when liquidity dries up, risk assets like Bitcoin get slapped. But here's the important part. Hayes says the $80,000 level should hold, and that's where he might start nibbling. His words, not mine. Hayes' entire warning comes down to liquidity. He says the Federal Reserve's aggressive tightening has drained cash from the system. Less liquidity equals risk assets wobble. But the Fed is expected to stop quantitative tightening, and Hayes believes that shift could hit as soon as next month. That would mean liquidity returns, markets stabilize, and Bitcoin regains strength. He also notes something critical. U.S. bank lending is rising, which usually signals improving liquidity underneath the surface. So yeah, in Hayes' view, this isn't a macro disaster. It's a temporary liquidity drought. And even though he's warning about a pullback to the low $80,000, Hayes is still extremely bullish long-term. He talked about potential upside targets between $200,000 and $250,000 for Bitcoin once liquidity starts pumping again. Whether you're trading or long-term holding, here's what this means for you. 1. Volatility is not over. Expect wild swings. 2. If Bitcoin dives into the $80,000 zone, that could be a big accumulation area for smart money. 3. If liquidity flips and the Fed backs off tightening, crypto could be entering the next leg of the bull cycle. So, do you think Bitcoin will retest $80,000? Or was the bottom already in? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear how you're playing this move. Make sure you like the video, subscribe for more breaking crypto updates, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay early, and stay crypto.